Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here now every year and meet a lot of friends and colleagues. It also is a great honor to open this second day. So I'm going to start very fast because I was just told I have 15 minutes, not 20. So I'm going to go through it very fast. Light engineering, you know me, but not Kress. I was the president of the SPIE, so I can talk about anything. I'm also the director XR engineering at Google, but I'll put my SPIE hat on so I can talk about anything and not get slapped on the wrist. Light engine tech evolutions for all-day use AI glasses. Well, we're living in a very exciting world today. You know, I was working on Google Glass 12 years ago, didn't really put a blimp on the radar on Google Trends for smart glasses, but today everybody is super excited. I love Google Trends, not because I'm at Google, but because it actually shows the trends in the general consumer era. Why? Because today, well, we finally have all three stars aligned. We have the AR hardware ecosystem. You don't really need to reinvent everything internally anymore, and you are part of this ecosystem. Light engines, waveguides, sensors, compute. We have generic platforms today. Of course, we have Android XR, you all heard about it, the announcement last year. We also have the closed platform, Vision OS, Horizon OS, Snap OS, and many others. And then we have the use case. AI-powered use cases, Gemini Astra, Apple Intelligence, Meta AI, multimodal AI assistant. See what you see, hear what you hear. We showed it off at Google I/O with a pair of monocolor smart glasses, 20 degrees, MicroLED, and we partnered with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster, like Meta partnered with EssilorLuxottica. We also showed live translate on a live demo. Live demos are difficult. You saw one last week that was quite difficult also. So ours just crashed in the middle, not at the beginning, which was good. Meta Ray-Ban sold 2 million pairs. Want to, I think, sell 6 more million. Okay, you got in. Who has a pair of smart glasses, by the way? I wanted to start with this. Okay, great. I see some hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, 10. Last year it was 0. This year it's 10. So I hope that next year everybody's going to have a pair of smart glasses. Of course, shares of Ray-Ban maker EssilorLuxottica jumped 6%. On the Meta stake, I don't know how many billions. Maybe it's 4, maybe it's 5, something like this. This is Orion, which was unveiled last year, 70 degrees field of view with 3 micro-LEDs. Now there's a single color, but 3 different inputs, which is a great way to boost efficiency. And last week, of course, Meta announced the first consumer version because Orion was a bit expensive, 10,000 or 100,000, plus minus a 0. And this year it's $799 for a pair of smart glasses. Now, of course, this was Nelcos and a geometric waveguide, monocolor, 20 degrees. It's a great choice. Great choice. Why? Well, first of all, it doesn't have an eye glow like Orion, and it's based on mature technology. Essilor and Lumos already started to work together in 2011 for AMD correction, age-related macular degeneration. And, you know, since then, I mean, Lumos matured that already mature technology to a point where it can be used in consumer electronics. Now, cost might still be an issue. The light engine, I borrowed this from a Symbiont website. Well, LCOS is a mature technology, right? And everybody knows this. So Orion was based on micro-LEDs, but for the consumer product, Meta chose LCOS. I'm sure Ed is going to talk a lot about this in the second talk. Since 2006 and even earlier, 1990s, Intel was working on LCOS. There were incremental improvements in pixel size, power, cost, reflectivity, and so on. This reminds me, Apple Lisa, way expensive, but showed the state, the art of the possible. And then, a few months later, came the